most people start YouTube channel based on the wrong mentality and wrong mindset.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're talking about what YouTube does to you as a creator 2023. And right here with me I have Sir Christian Ezeiene, who is going to be the person I'm going to be interviewing on this show today. And so, Sir Christian Ezeiene, do you have anything to say about yourself? Just give us a brief introduction about yourself.
Okay, thanks for having me here. Good to be here. My name is Ezeiene Christian, a tutor, multimedia speaker, and also a content creator and chemistry tutor also.
Awesome. It's really nice to have you on the show. So I know that you're a YouTuber, and could you just tell me a little bit about your journey? Like when you actually started your YouTube channel, what was the first channel you got started with?
Okay, I started YouTube. I started creating content on YouTube 2022 officially, but before then I've been doing some few videos. So as a chemistry tutor, who I was teaching chemistry for the past 7 years. I started teaching chemistry when I was in my year 2 at university. So start teaching year 1, year 2 students and basic students. So for that long space of 7 years, I've actually grown myself when it comes to chemistry, making students understand chemistry faster and better. So I decided to push myself beyond my limits because now when I go on YouTube and I search chemistry videos, now the most part I see there, those content are the white people. So I rarely see black people doing those kind of content, and I told myself that I can actually do this stuff.
Something like that.
So before I started creating YouTube videos, 2022, Chemistry TV. If you go to Chemistry TV now, you see some of my content there, chemistry videos. Now, it's because I actually believe that I can do this stuff, and I actually want to push myself beyond what I'm currently doing. So that is the main reason why I actually started creating video on YouTube. Yeah.
What was life for you like before starting YouTube?
Okay, what was life for me before starting YouTube? My life is just not all about coming to school, teaching normal, regular stuff. But I also love personal development stuff. I also read constantly. But I have the vision of take what I'm doing to the international level because I don't want to operate on the local level. So it has already been in my mind right from time that I'll be creating content on YouTube.
Wow. So you already had a pre-plan?
Yes, I already have a pre-plan before. So do what I'm doing. But at initial time, when I started having this thought, it was so difficult for me on the more serious note. Like I didn't know if I'm going to if I'll be able to do it, but it have already been in my mind that this is what I want to be doing. You get? So little by little, I start because I used to watch videos, chemistry videos, then and I believed myself that okay, I can actually do this stuff. So one day I just pick up my phone and said, let me just try it. So I love the outcome, although it was not perfect. My first video recording was weird. Like I deleted most of it with enough persistence and enough trial and error, I'm becoming perfect. I believe I'm good now. I'm a little bit perfect than the way I was before.
There's always development.
Yes. So my confidence have actually increased. My charisma has increased because I don't like on the most serious note before this stuff. I don't like taking myself on camera.
Wow.
I like to be shy.
So how did you feel when you finally broke through that barrier and like you started coming on camera?
Okay. Before I used to be shy on camera on the most serious stuff. I don't like to snap myself, but now, due to this content creating stuff and being on YouTube, because if you don't want to go on YouTube, then you must believe in yourself, number one. You must believe in yourself, number one. And you must commit yourself that this is what you'll be able to do, number two. And you must express yourself. And discover that when I start creating YouTube videos, I discover that it's not the way I teach in normal class that is the way I want to perform in this video. It's totally different persons entirely. So I have to build my charisma on YouTube, like on camera. So I have to understand that I'm not seeing these people, but I know that there are millions of people that will be watching on the other side. So how you got to do it, how you got to deliver it, although it was not easy at first, but like what a while I say, with enough persistence, most things I've seen impossible become possible. Now I don't see start seeing possibility. So as time move on, I start doing 1, 2, 3 videos, 4 videos. Now if you go and check my YouTube videos now, my first YouTube channel, Chemistry TV. Now you see about 82 videos there for the pace of 1 year, 2 months for now. So you see, those are just chemistry content, me teaching chemistry.
I really love your specificity, like how specific you are with the from the point you started to right now, like 1 year, 2 months. A lot of people are very, very scared and skeptical when it comes to creating that channel. How did you feel when you clicked that create a channel button and you really created a YouTube channel? How was it like for you?
Okay, I, I didn't feel anything sha because I just thought of it as a regular stuff. And if I must go beyond what I'm doing, then this is what I have to do. So this is what I have to do. Like this is what I have to do. I already know that I'm going to fail multiple times before I. Even till now, I know that I'm still going to fail. I already know. I already knew that people will laugh at me. At the first two few videos or 10 videos, people will actually laugh at me. You get because one, I've not found my personality. Number two, I don't even know how to speak. Number three, I don't actually can convey the message very well. I knew my limitation, but I knew where I was going to. So I have to do it. So those limitations, those setbacks can actually pull back to what I really want to do.
One thing you really said that got my attention was how you braced yourself. You were ready for the
Yes,
hate.
yes. I was ready for the laugh.
Like you were ready for
Yes.
everything. And this is what scares a lot of YouTubers. If you really want to start a YouTube channel, then you have to be prepared. You need to brace yourself. You need to be ready. So I want to ask you another question. Are you proud of what you're doing as a YouTuber?
Why not? I'm really, really proud of being a YouTuber. Although I've not started making money. When people see me creating YouTube channel and they ask me how much are they paying you, I just smile because they don't understand the process. Becoming a creator and start aiming from whatsoever you're doing is a process, and you got to take a gradual process. So therefore, it's a learning process. So to me, I'm seeing my learning process. So I'm not really expecting to make money from YouTube channel anytime soon because I knew that I've not still perfected so many skills. So I'm in my learning phase. Therefore, you must understand your niche, your customer, and you must know how to deliver this content to these people. They will not like and appreciate your content. They now start consuming your content. From there now, YouTube will start noticing you. They now start spreading your video to that pool because it's not easy as a content creator when you are not known or nobody's promoting you. It's not that easy to just like hit 1,000 subscribers.
Some people just start their YouTube channel and they're like, oh, 1 month from now, I'll just get my 1,000 subscribers, get my 4,000 watch hours, and I'll be making money from YouTube. What happens when you don't actually make money from YouTube within that given duration or within that space of time you have set up for yourself? You just discover that you begin to feel nonchalant about it. Different creators have different reasons for actually starting up their YouTube channels. There are some creators that are starting up their channels to get traffic, probably to get traffic to another business or to actually create content on YouTube to just expand their reach, to go global. So I don't know, I'm feeling a bit curious to still ask, like, when you started Chemchris TV, I know it's a chemistry platform and it's there to provide quality chemistry content to people. But like, what were you actually looking for? Because as a tutor, you had students, you could actually come to your classes and teach, and everyone is going to learn. But like, what was that thing you were looking for? Why did you actually start Chemchris TV on YouTube?
Okay, now let me just touch one point you said. Like, a lot of people say we start off, they will say that in the next 2 months I should hit 1,000 subscribers and I should monetize. Now it's all up to me. When I started creating main videos on YouTube, my first video is organic chemistry. So in my mind is that in the next 2 months I should hit 1,000 subscribers, then I should monetize channel. That was my major goal. You get? I found that as time proceeds, it was not like that. Now, one of the main reasons why we started YouTube is because of the learning process. Yeah, because of the learning process, and I want to go beyond what I'm currently doing.
I'm quite intrigued about your journey as a YouTuber and like your mindset, like the way you actually structured your mind and how prepared you were for the barriers and the circumstances to come, knowing that this is YouTube. You're actually going global now. You're living beyond the local.
Yes. Now, I've heard the quote was said by Napoleon. It was said by the Michael Kosima Blink Hashi. So that is my main goal. That I know that if I should put, although I'm not that good doing this stuff, but I know that if I should put my mind doing it over again, even if I fail 10,000 times and I keep on doing it again, to get to a point where I'm very good at it.
Yeah.
You get. Another thing is that now most people start YouTube channel based on the wrong mentality and wrong mindset. You get. You don't start YouTube video or start creating content or anything you do if you want to do a business. Now because YouTube is just like a business.
Yes.
Now there are some people that have turned YouTube like a full-time business. YouTube is a strong business, and for every business, now you must understand that at first you will lose.
Yes.
You get. Now that is normal stuff. At first you lose, except is what you have done before. You're not coming back again. Then you know
Something new. Yeah.
It's something
Every
new.
tendency.
Yes, at first you lose.
Yeah.
So that is why as a YouTuber, you must have a long-term goal. You get. You must have a long-term goal. Now
Is YouTube hard?
YouTube is hard. Anybody that tell that YouTube is not hard, then the person have not actually gone into YouTube. YouTube is hard.
Wow.
It's only for the strong minded because Jesus, I can't even estimate the numbers of YouTubers we have.
The same way creators are coming into the YouTube space, new YouTube creators are coming in to create videos every single day. That is the same way more people are getting to use the internet, more people are getting to consume content.
Yes.
But like on a one-to-one level, like to you, what's the hardest part of YouTube? To you, what's the hardest part?
To me, the hardest part of YouTube is the content first.
The content.
So you must learn how to create a good content.
Exactly.
So because if you don't learn how to create a good content, your thumbnail will be useless. Whether you have a caching thumbnail or you do your keyword and do your keyword research very well, a better title, and the content is not that
People will just come in and
yeah,
take
I
away.
agree, yes. So the content is the most important thing. Knowing your content, knowing your
Target audience.
yeah,
Exactly.
and how to present it to them for them to like, love, and ready to consume. So that is the primary stuff. YouTube is not for shy. It's not TikTok
Exactly.
that people can come and dance.
Exactly.
You get. It's not. YouTube is like a learning platform where people come and YouTube is not like a fun place. Although there are also other forms of what I see YouTube as. Anybody that comes to YouTube, although fun is there,
Yeah.
but so whenever I go to on YouTube, I don't go to YouTube to go and make fun. You get. Well, I go to YouTube to go and learn.